Good evening. Welcome back to another video. This evening we're going to take a look at 1 John 1, and we're also going to look at John 4, and we're going to look at verse 8 also. And 1 John says, in the beginning was the Word. The Word was God. So what I'm saying is, before the word Bible was introduced, it was scrolls that they used to write on. And the word Jehovah, Jehovah Yahweh, Jehovah Emmanuel, Jehovah Adani, they only came into translation through time. But in ancient time, it was just the word. And verse 4 said, in him was life. And life became the light of men. Verse 8 says, John was not the light. John only bear witness of the light. Who are we talking about? We're talking about Christ himself. Because Christ was prophesied many years before Christ came on the scene. At one point, the question was asked to John, even if he was the Christ. John says, nay, not even the latchet of his shoes I'm worthy to tie. The word latchet means like his shoes lace. That's how powerful this Christ is. So if anyone, especially people who is not so like myself, we go to church every Sunday throughout the year. So a newcomer who wants to get involved in the Bible, you can start with Genesis. But my two favorite book of the Bible is the Psalms written by David and Proverbs written by David's son Solomon. I love those two books. And if somebody out there is struggling with some kind of issue and they're looking recompensed by God, you can go to Psalms 51. You can ask God to create in the right spirit. Because when David sinned against God, that's exactly what he did. So we can also emulate what he'd done and ask God for forgiveness. But don't be the person who asks today and sin tomorrow. After that, nah, it doesn't work that way. It's not going to work that way. You cannot be a presumptuous person. You have to say what you mean and mean what you say and be sincere with it. And then you will prompt God to look at your case even deeper and see somebody out there. As they say, when a sinner has come into the house and been blessed, the angels in heaven sing and rejoice. You can be that person. You can let joyful noise resound in heaven when a person come home to Christ and walk in his light. So, on that note, I'm going to say, for the people who has been subscribing and giving me a like on this channel, may God bless you. May the ambience, peace, and love of God infuse your home. And for anyone who has been scrolling through the internet and has bumped into one of my videos, you can also give me a like. You can subscribe if you like what I'm saying on this channel. And may God bless your home. May the peace of God reign in your home. May the humility and compassion of God be with you. So on that note, as always, peace out. See you in the next video.